want to take a moment to discuss one additional method for looking at the BMP graphics available in the GODD engine. Fundamentally, any graphic is available to be used in the GODD engine. We use the BMP format, which is very accessible. You can edit and create your own. At the moment, I would encourage you to put that on a back burner. We have a couple of enhancements coming to the GODD engine that will assist you in making your own graphics and storing them in such a way that they're not accidentally lost. So let's put aside the question of you creating your own graphics and just take note of the fact that we have intentionally kept the engine in what we call an open architecture, meaning it's very accessible for you to make changes, additions, deletions, etc. At the moment, what you're seeing is the thumbnail view of the GODD GFX folder. Up here, I'm clicking on this icon in my Windows XP. Thumbnail is selected at the moment. You might be more familiar with the detail view or perhaps list view. You'll notice the difference between details. It shows you the file size, type. Let's make that a little bit smaller. And it shows date modified. List just has the names. It doesn't show anything about their size, modification, etc. Now, icon view is a view that gives you a gist of what the images look like, but they're just small icons. It's not a bad view for looking through the images if you're trying to remind yourself of what a particular graphic looked like. You're noticing that it can take a while for the icons to be refreshed. There we go. They have refreshed themselves. Another view is tiles. If you haven't looked at this, it gives you a little bit of information. For example, the graphic size and the type, and then of course the name and a small image. I prefer the thumbnails view simply because it gives me a larger image. I like this larger image because it allows me to see more of what the graphic looks like. As you can see by this quick pass through, there's a lot of different types of images available in the GODD engine. These were compiled by us. These are all original images. We created these over the course of actually more than 2 decades now. These are graphics used in many different types of environments, everything from Old West to space opera. And of course, these images are optimized to capture the Bardo aspects of the various spaces that we create. Let's see if we can hone in on an image here. Here's some nice woods. These used to be for floors, for walls. Here's wood 7A. I use this quite a bit. In the GODD engine itself, you can see these using the built-in graphic viewer. But if you want to get a quick overview of the different woods, using the page up or page down key in your Windows Explorer gives you a nice simple format for viewing these files. Okay, so this is a simple introduction to the use of the Windows Explorer for exploring the BMP graphics in the GODD engine.